Umholi we-EFF uJulius Malema ngesikhathi ethula ubufakazi ubuzo ukuthi ulaze laphi iculo elithi dubul'ibhunu.
Well, I sang the song. I was taught the song when I was very young. I joined the struggle when I was 9 years. Part of what they did to us, my Lord, was to try and teach us struggle songs. Our job in the young pioneers, they will take us, teach us struggle songs. They will give us some wooden guns to teach us how to hold a gun, how to shoot.
Ebuzwa ngokuthi igama elithi bhuwa lisho ukuthini uphendule wathi
A bhuwa will mean a farmer to us, because farmers are the face of land dispossession. So if you take a farmer and you take the land question, you give the land question a face, and that face becomes a farmer. But the struggle, why the farmer, is the struggle of the land. And the person who represents the land disposition is the farmer.
Uchaza ukuthi igama elithi bhuwa noma mlungu alichazi buhlanga ngoba esikhathini samanje uma udla izambane likapondo futhi unabantu abakusebenzelayo ubizwa ngomlungu. uMalema uqhube wathi ngisho noPeter Mugaba wayelicula leliculo kodwa kade azishonela kodwa namanje abalimi basemaplazini basabulawa.
Peter Mugaba has long died. Peter has long died. The farmers are still being killed today. Unless Ruth says Peter is singing the song from the grave. But farmers are being killed today. Why are the farmers being killed? It's not exclusively farmers. There is a problem of violent crime in South Africa. And farmers are not saved from that. Women are not saved from that. Children are not saved from that. There is a spike in murder in South Africa. There is a huge increase in murder in South Africa. It is not exclusively farmers who are being killed. South Africa, it's a crime scene. We exist in a crime scene. Anyway, if you want to take the farmers and compare them to what is happening in the township and compare them to what is happening to women, it's a drop in an ocean. Our people are dying like flies.
Icala liyaqhubeka.